Here we are with the new Inspection Suite Pro Edition for Android devices, and we'll do a quick run through of some of the features. Inside the help category is a full-featured help file laying out how to accomplish some of the actions within the app and the differences between the free and the pro editions. The free edition is designed for people to give it a try and see if it suits them. It is limited to the amount of attachments and inspections, whereas the Pro Edition is entirely unlimited. Here are some of the setups for various mail servers. We'll get into that in a moment. Next, we will take a look in the Settings tab. Here we have outgoing mail settings and categories. Under categories, we can set up any categories we choose fit for our applications. Here we have electrical, roof inspection, home inspections, equipment inspections, infrared, real estate, and insurance claims currently. If we'd like to add one, we can simply go into categories, add, and I've already populated it with electrical. All you do is hit save, and you will see a category has been added. Within here, we can also go into our outgoing mail settings, where we have sender's email address, receiver's email address, username, password, outgoing server port, and authentication. Inside the help file, it lays out what you need to put in each of those. It's fairly straightforward. Gmail works extremely well, as do any of the other free servers. You can also set it up for POP accounts, whatever you actually need. Next, we'll take a look in the search category. This opens up a Google search. So if you're out on a job and you require some reference information or any information whatsoever, you can just type it in. So let's try electrical and hit search. Misspelled, but Google will figure it out. And it will use my location in the phone to find me all kinds of local hits for Google Places and any other information that I could be looking for, such as local electrical codes, real estate information. Anything is possible. The sky's the limit. So now let's create an actual inspection. We'll hit New. And from here we can go into a Google search at the top, the same as before, but now we don't have to actually leave the inspection to perform the search. From here we can tap on Client Information, and you'll see at the top there's a Google map. This is storing the current GPS location for our inspection. And from here we select what style of inspection we're doing, whether it be real estate, equipment inspection, electrical, roof, anything you desire. So in this case, let's go home inspection. We will input the address that we're performing at, street, I'll just put some random information in there, city, country, state or province, postal code, and then it asks us for a client name. In this case, this becomes the title of the inspection, so we'll put J. Smith in there. Phone number, an email address, which is very handy to refer to, as you can directly email this to the client using the settings in the Settings tab. Miscellaneous info. This is good to store anything specific about this inspection or job. So in this case, let's use the voice input. Needs inspection information today. Perfect. We'll simply hit save, and the client info has been added. Let's punch into the job. This inputs a start time from within the inspection, and when we're complete and everything is done, we will hit punch out. So from here, we can add some images. You can add them by taking a picture with the camera right now, or add images already in the gallery. Let's add some in the gallery. Let's just pick a couple here. Done. We'll hit select all and hit save. Perfect. 2 images have been added. Audio notes, if we'd like to record in our own voice, or machinery noise, road noise, anything with the microphone of the phone, we just simply hit record. It asks us for a name, so let's just put test. Test, test, and hit stop. We can play it back by holding on it.
Test, test.
Perfect. We will select that and save it to the inspection. At the bottom we find the Inspection Information tab. This is where we input all the information we wish to store about this inspection or job. We can simply type the text in, or in my case, I prefer the voice entry, roof damage. Perfect. We simply hit save. And that is our inspection complete. So let's punch out. See the out time, stored, date and time. And from here, we can just back out. So now let's check out the review function. From here, we can go back into any stored inspections. Let's go to the one we just did. It's got J. Smith. We've got in and out times already stored, a couple of images, one audio file, and some information. From here, we can add more images, more audio files, anything you desire, and resave it. Very handy for items that you've forgotten. Always click done at the end, and it's complete. So now that we've actually completed an inspection or a job, now we need to get it off the phone and become usable. From here, we just simply go send. Here's all the inspections stored within the phone. We can just simply select all, or pick out any ones we want and hit send. That will be sent to the predefined email address in the settings.